Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have both of my Walmart beauty boxes here today. I haven't even looked to see if they're the same or different. I have V13 and V16, so that's good. I have two different boxes. You do get this on Walmart. I think it's walmartbeauty.com. WalmartBeautyBox.com. I think we'll take you right to it. Sign up. And you pay the shipping and handling. It's like $7 and change. This is a seasonal box, so you only get 4 a year, which is not overwhelming to anybody. And these are all items you can purchase at Walmart. So we'll give a little sneak peek into this one. And this is version 16. Get a little pamphlet here, Winter Wonders, with options of what could be in your box, what will be in your box. And I'm seeing some pretty nice stuff in here. Not going to complain. So it looks like everybody gets this because the very first item everybody will get. And this is right here, the e.l.f. Skin Sun Touchable Invisible Sunscreen, SPF 35. And this is 1.69 fluid ounces and full size is 1.7. So is this going to be full size? I don't know. I think I do have their full size product. Very well could be the full size. Right here, so you can see it. That's a good size product. I'm not going to complain on that one. The next several items look like everybody's going to get. So we have a Paris Hilton perfume, an eau de parfum. Obviously, this is going to be a sample. And mine, like, fell out of the package. I don't know what that smells like. I can't smell it. I'm going to just give it a quick spray over here. I don't want to spray it on me. I have perfume on. It's a lot florally. I mean, it's not bad. Juicy peach, jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. I'm getting a little bit more floral than fruity, but maybe that's just my nose. My nose is off. Yesterday was sick. A little bit of a cold starting, I think. I can smell it a little bit more. I don't smell peach, but we have a perfume sample, which is nice to have. Looks like everybody has this from EOS 24-Hour Moisture Super Balm, and it says the flavors may vary. It looks like I have watermelon, which I'm happy with. I love watermelon. And then the other item that looks like is in everybody's box. Is this from Olive and June? Yep. So Olive and June Quick Dry Polish. Is this a full size? I have no idea. It probably is. I don't know. Let me see if I can tell you what the shade of this is before I hold it back up. Twilight. Right here, so you can see it looks like a neutrally purple, which is not bad. I love a good purple polish. Yeah, so this is purple. Well, maybe I'll try this next. I'm going to be taking the brown off. Maybe I'll put that on instead. So the items listed on this side, everybody gets, and then these are like variables over on this side. So I have the CeraVe Intensive Moisturizing Lotion, Body Lotion. So this is obviously a little sample, which that's always nice to have. And then I have a little sample of Physicians Formula Butter Glow Bronzing Serum. Is there, I don't know if they, well, probably just all the same. So this is tiny. Ooh, that is tiny. But to try, I don't think I have their product. So that's not bad for the first box. Could have gotten a brush, like the Detangle brush, CoverGirl, lip stain, Palmer's Cocoa Butter, body oil. That's always nice. I love Palmer's. Number 7, serum, and what's this other one? A shampoo and conditioner, like samples right here, so you could see that. So that's not a bad box. Now this box is a little heavier, feels a little heavier. So let's see what's in version 13. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so in this one, still, you know, Winter Wonder. So now this one's slightly different. So this will be in everybody's box, which I have another one. So I'll share one. I don't need both. So that's a $14 value because that's, I would say that's almost full size. Then I have, oh, there goes the card. Excuse me. Then I have the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Cream. I do like this. This is really nice if you have very dry skin or sensitive skin. Aveeno is perfect. Love that. I have another sample of perfume from Paris Hilton. That's nice. And then I did get the full size of the shampoo and the conditioner. So this is Being Nourish and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. Is this full size? Let me see what the ounces are. Oops. I don't think this is their full size. It might be. Because it says here 12, full size is 12 ounces. And I don't know what that says. Let me just see what this says. And this is 3 ounces. So the other ones might be bigger, but this is way enough to try. I mean, if it was super tiny or foil packs, I would be like, eh, but at least you can get a few tries out of this. The conditioner and the shampoo. So I'm happy to try something new. I think some excellent boxes. I like that the cards are different, that if you get the shampoo and conditioner, you don't have the options like this box was. Like here's this card right here, slightly different, so you can see the difference in the cards. So I'm happy with both boxes as usual. The perfume samples, can stick that with Macy's, that would be fine. But, you know, I'll share one. I'll try one. You know, why not? I love Aveeno. I'm happy with the e.l.f., but I will share one. I don't need 2. I love a good balm. That's great to throw in your handbag. And watermelon is perfect for me. I love anything watermelon. I'm going to try the purple nail polish because this needs to come off. It's, you know, been a couple weeks. They're starting to chip. So I'll change it. I'll try the Olive and June. I've never tried their polish. So let me know your thoughts on the Walmart beauty boxes for winter. Obviously, Winter Wonders. If you're interested, it's at walmartbeautybox.com. You sign up. You could probably still get the winter box. I know they're not usually real strict on, you know, like it's past, you know, you have to wait for the next month, you know, because the next would be spring. You could probably still get these if you are interested to try them. And I think it comes out to like $7.50, some change, something like that. I don't think you could beat this. And like I said, it's seasonal, so you're not overwhelmed every month. Would I love to get this every month? Yes. But, you know, it's a seasonal box, and I'm fine with that. Otherwise, sometimes you could get overwhelmed. So I appreciate all you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you get Walmart Beauty Box, I would love to hear in the comments what version you got. I have 13 and 16, and I will post, you know, photos at the end of the video. If you, you know, are interested, you have no say on what box you get. So have a good day, everyone, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.